You need to watch this if you struggle with business mistakes that cost you time, money, and trust. I'm Pankaj Sharma, and today I'll show you how to get the best business results of your life using Six Sigma. Have you ever been frustrated by a late delivery or a product that didn't work? We all have, and businesses don't like it either because every mistake costs time, money, and trust. That's why smart companies use something called Six Sigma, a proven method to make things work better, faster, and with fewer mistakes. Imagine you run a bakery. Out of every million cookies, 6,000 are messed up, burnt, undercooked, or missing chocolate chips. Now imagine reducing that to just 3 or 4 bad cookies out of a million. That's what Six Sigma aims for. It's all about perfection, or getting as close to it as possible. Six Sigma helps fix existing problems using a simple 5-step process called DMAIC. Define the issue. What's not working? Measure the current process. How bad is the problem? Analyze the data. What's causing the issue? Improve the process. Find smart solutions. Control the new system. Make sure it stays fixed. It's like detective work, engineering, and quality control all rolled into one. Businesses use DMAIC to solve all kinds of problems. A manufacturer reducing defects on an assembly line, a hospital cutting down on patient wait times, a bank making loan approvals faster and error-free. But what if you're building something from scratch, like a new app, service, or product? That's where Six Sigma uses another powerful method, DMADV. Define the goals, measure customer needs, analyze options and risks, design the best possible solution. Verify it works before launch. Think of it as quality by design, building excellence right into the blueprint. Six Sigma also builds skilled problem solvers like yellow belts who know the basics, green belts who manage smaller projects, black belts who lead bigger improvements, and master black belts who train the whole team. It's like martial arts but for fixing business problems. Six Sigma works across every industry: retail, tech, airlines, finance, healthcare. Wherever processes need improvement, Six Sigma delivers. The result? Fewer errors, faster service, lower costs, happier customers, and a team that's always getting better. Six Sigma isn't just about fixing problems, it's about building a culture of excellence. So, if you want to make smarter decisions, solve problems faster, and delight your customers every time, start thinking Six Sigma, because good enough is no longer good enough.